Hi. So a lot of my friends wanted to learn how to grow microgreens and grasses because they're very healthy. One, they can be grown in within the home in the lockdown period, and they're also very fresh in prana. There's a very high pran shakti. So I was thinking I'll just show few of them how we are growing without soil. The most important here what we are growing is hydroponically. So to begin with, you can see I have grown this chana. So this chana first I soaked in water, and then I just laid them on a cloth, on a piece of cloth. I took this bowl and I cut the a cloth of this size of the bowl, and then I had placed it below, and over that I placed a layer of chana, one thick compact layer, not overlapping, over just one uniform layer. And after, you can see 7-8 days it has grown this much. You can see chana at the end. Can you see chana? So you can see, you can see these are the chanas. So I pluck one for you, so you can see here you have one full green. So the leaves can be chopped and they can be eaten. Even the stems can be eaten, which are very good. So I can show you another one, which is here. Here is moong dal. So this green gram I have grown, and here you can see these are the green moong which I soaked in water for, you can soak from 12 to 14 hours to even 1 day, one full day. And then if you want them to sprout a bit, you can leave them covered with a cloth to sprout, and then just again spread a layer of cloth, single layer cloth, just wet it, and then put a layer of one single uniform layer of these small soaked little sprouted green gram, and put it like this and keep spraying. What is important is to spray water like this at least say 4-5 times a day. And I can show you also like some other things how I have grown wheat grass like this. So like you can see, this is wheat, and this is also like wheat. This is black wheat, this is Sona Moti wheat. This wheat I've soaked in water for around 12 to 14 hours, maybe even one full day, 124 hours you can like soak. And then I have taken this bowl and I have cut this cloth. I forgot to show you the cloth. This is the cloth which I have cut of the size of this bowl, and then I start spreading this soaked wheat. This is round wheat. This is called Sona Moti. Like this, so you can also use this, and then you because this wheat is particularly very healthy for its iron, for its low gluten content and low glycemic acid, and it's very good for diabetic patients. So here I just spread one uniform layer of wheat. We are not overlapping, and we are not putting too thick or too thin. It should be compact and uniform. So wherever you find like there are less, so like gaps, you can fill it up. And here we have like full, I have put. So if you see some gaps somewhere, you can put with hands here and there, and this. So now what you do is you keep spraying with water. So after every 3 to 4 hours, I spray it with water like this. And then, like in 3 days time, it becomes this much, and 3-4 days. And here, this is 6 to 7 days. And if you want to see, you can see here. This is the way, this is the cloth, and you can see the wheat, and you can see the grass coming up. And later on, it can even grow up like this. The same thing is with bajra. Bajra I have soaked, and here you can see the grass coming up. Can you see? So the bajra's grass has come up, and we can harvest it, we can eat it. And this is very interesting. What is this? This is mustard seeds. I had soaked mustard seeds and put it on this cloth, and you can see the whole, the roots coming up and the stems coming up, and how it has become so green and lush. And you can see small mustard seeds here and there. So this is very nutritious. Now we can chop and eat it also. So this chana we can cut and eat the stems and leaves, and we can this green gram. And this is also very interesting, although it is still sprouting. This is flax seed, and you can see small greens coming up here and there. So this is also, and in few days it will sprout completely. I have also soaked corn, and now the shoots are coming, and I will let it remain here, and I will keep spraying, and slowly, you can see the green, stems have started coming, and slowly the leaves will also come. It will take another 3-4 days. And also I have got soaked rice. This is a different variety of rice. This is Vishnu Bhog. This is another variety of Shyam Jeera rice variety, and this is a barley I've soaked, and I'm going to again put it like this. I'm going to grow in the similarly the way I have shown you the Sona Moti. I'm going to also grow barley like this. So this is one presentation where I am not use any soil anywhere. You can see this also. There is no soil here. Can you see this? No soil, and we have just